Hey there! Want to spice up your videos with some background music? Well, you are in the right place. I'm going to show you how to play music while recording videos on your iPhone. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to open your favorite music streaming app. This could be Spotify, Apple Music, or any other app you love. Once you have got your music app open, I'll be using Spotify as an example. Go ahead and play the song you want to use. After that, open your camera app. Make sure to switch to video mode and then start recording your video. Now, if that doesn't work for you, don't worry. There is another trick you can try. First, open your camera app, then select photo mode instead of video. Here, you'll need to tap and hold the recording button and swipe it to the lock icon on the left. After that, swipe down from the top of your screen. Now play the song you want from the music player in the control center. And that's it! If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy recording!